Ano bang naka-live na bata pa? Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. Ayan, live na. Baby, you know the pain is unbearable. Hello, Ante Maru here. Hello. Do you know how to tie your hair without a tie? You just use your hair to tie your hair. That's how I do my hair all the time. Kaya nade-dreadlocks na siya day. Wait lang ha. Mhm. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Now, my problem here, if naka-live ako sa Blue app, may gabi eh. Live ni. Uy. Now, the problem here, pag sa Blue app ako naka-live, pag gusto kong mag-bisyo, hindi ko kayo madadala. That's fine. I'm working. Ugh. Tingit lang ha. Bakit nagtatrack na naman tong hayop na kamerang to? Huwag kang mag-track. Huwag kang tracking mode. Dapat naka-standard mode ka lang. Para hindi ka gumalaw. Ina mo. Hello, ante patambay. Pressure sa life. Lately, pang motivate lang. Makadungog sa imong strong kay ka. Uy. Mag-vape, di ay ka, ante. Ay, ang vape. Uy, ano? Parang man niloloko ng vape. Ante, I've been watching your vids. And it helps me a lot. Balikan nyo lang ako pag VA na kayo. Huwag mo kayo mag-chika-chika dyan. Hello, Uncle. I don't know, but I really like your style of teaching. Kabalo ka nga gusto po ko mag-VA. The problem is huya ko og I don't know if kaya na ako. How is it my problem? Huy, guba na kaya itong kuan mo. Akong mata, I can't read. Layo kayo mo sa akong kuan. Layo kayo mo sa ako ang, do you call this? Yan. Because I cannot see you clearly, guys. There. Much better. Tinakoy i-share ba? So, i-share na. Mag-aantay pa ako. I'm so payat in this angle. VA na ko te. Char. Proof. Kung VA ka na, hindi ka mag-comment sa live ko, nagwo-work ka. Send proof. Ante, I just wanted to know, nagbibigay ka ba ng welcome kit or service package sa client mo bago ang contract signing? Sa consultation clients. Pero sa service-based clients, hindi. Patulog na ante, VA na po ako. Salamat sa maanghang na salita. Huwag niyo akong tsikahin, sendan niyo ako ng evidence. Kabalo ba kate sa Nagka-familiar ko sa GHL. Gi-apply na ko sa, ano daw? Gi-apply na ko sa i-launch na mo nga business. Na launch meal ba? Ka-help bayag dako ti. Labi na ang automation sa Messenger. Ano yun? Share mo lang? Week 1. Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Almost done ako, ante. And then, ante, unsay ma-recommend ni mga laptop? Di ko, wala ako nagbebenta ng laptop. The hell? Ante, pwede mo appeal sa training sa Bohol, bisag nasa Cebu. Di kay priority, ma'am. Priority yung LGU. Ante Zilla, payat ka dyan sa anggulo mo ngayon. I know, right? Huy, naghahanap ako ng ano ba? I wanna change my ano, my name sa Blue App. Ante pa din. Pero, I was thinking, um, parang AVA community ba? Na i-attach ko sa name ko, tapos, ano, dash, yung VA community. Now, hindi naman pwedeng bobo ilagay ko doon, baka maban ako ng TikTok. Ay, ng TikTok, ng Blue App, 'di ba? Payat ka dyan, ante, got my first pay na. Ayun, ang galing. Ante, please enhance me. Need ba pay muna si client? Anong enhance? Anong enhance na hayop ka? Ayusin mo yung question mo. Ante, please enhance me. Enlight siguro, no? Enlighten me. Need ba pay muna si client bago mag-work? Asa sa bulang training ni Monte, I have in Pilar sa 21 to Bigon in 28, March 21 in San Isidro, and then Lila March 28. An ante, nahirapan ako manganap ng client. Sige pa, BA pa more. Ako lang ang may karapatang mangbuli kay ano, kay Enhance. Huwag kayong sumali. Feeling ang tatalino nyo? May client kayo? Ha? May client kayo? Walang karapatang mangbuli. Ako lang ang may karapatang mangbuli sa mga nasa comment section. Huwag kayong sumali. Hi, magsali kayo, mag-register muna kayo. Dapat may proof na VA na. Hi, ante, nagkalingaw ba ako sa sa imong mga lessons while kamulo kog apply? Ano yun, Alan? Share mo lang. Karon ni imong live ante ugma pa. Ano lang ni thriller. Maka-study na jud ko ani pon ante full time. And then, walay dawis ante, pwede maskin dili ko ang LGU. Talk to your LGU. Okay? Ang LGU nag-reach out sa akin. Kausapin niyo yung LGU niyo. Ante Tracy, empowering the self. Ang OA, ma'am. Gusto ko yung um, pang squatter. Huy, pang squatter. Yung relevant sa mga bobo tsaka sa mga poor. Thoughts sa mga friends na nag-ask sa'yo na mag-refer kahit hindi naman kayo hiring. Hindi sila mag-ask, ma'am. Kilala nila ako. Masasapak ko sila pag mag-ask sila. Sharing lang ng happiness. Proud to be approved sa Blue App. Na all. Good morning, Ferdy. Dubai po ako, ante. Yes, ma'am. Kaya andito ako sa Blue Up nagla-live. Galing ako sa TikTok. Lumipat ako dito kasi andito kayong mga OFW. Admin for 4 years. Pero parang naka-overwhelm yung qualifications na nabasa ko. Di, wag kayong mag-apply. Kaya wag niyong pinapahirapan yung mga sarili niyo. Just because you want it so bad, it doesn't mean makukuha niyo yun. Huwag kayong magreklamo. Mahirap talaga dito. Sino ba kasi nagsabing madali lang dito? Papasukin nyo sa live. An Ayante, while working, watching your live. Sana all. Ante, apakapayat. I know, right? Nakaputi pa to ha. Pag naka-black to, ang payat ko na. Ante, anong country mas madaming high paying? Ma'am, wala, ma'am. Walang specific country ang ano, may high paying clients. Maging high value VA ka muna. Okay ha? There is no such thing as premium clients. Okay? You can only find premium clients when you become a premium VA. Mag-premium VA ka muna. I mean, the audacity. I mean, why would a client pay you with so much with an entry-level skill set? Ante, no Bobo VA community. Hindi nga pwedeng lagyan ng Bobo Day. Hindi tayo ma-approve ni, ano niya, ni Meta. Bakit ka nakafocus sa word na Bobo, ha? Ini-embrace na yung truth about yourselves? Auntie Tracy, bawal ang Bobo. Huy. Hi, Ante. I'm watching your live here in Solomon Islands. Huy. Ay, sorry. Ma'am, Maria Lourdes Sambad. You don't have to apologize for something you don't know. You acknowledge, you accept, and then you learn. You move forward. Hindi pwede yung I'm sorry dito. Ante, ano pong masasabi niyo sa mga clients na need muna work 1 to 2 weeks bago mag-hire? Kailangan ba ganun? Eh, may portfolio naman na halos ando na. Ann, my question for you, why would you settle for less? Last na client na yun? Wala nang iba? You cannot force a client, an entity, an establishment, a company, an agency to adjust to you. Okay? Kung ayaw mo ng processes nila, kung ayaw mo ng ways nila, iskerda Marie. Maghanap ng iba. Focus on things you can control. Ante, sabi ng friend ko, napansin niya sa Japan, 1 oras na siya naglalakad, ang dami daw nakasalubong na hapon. Sabihin mo sa friend mo, tanga ka ba? Auntie Tracy, ang pag-asa ng VA community. No, not really. Watching while working, VA na ako pero marami pa rin akong natutunan sa iyo, ante. Looking forward makasali sa training. Ante, 90 days commission based on agent sales. Zero salary pa rin hanggang ngayon. 3 weeks na po, ante. You get what you tolerate. Period. Next. Hi, ante. Watching from Hong Kong. Yes, ma'am. Hazel, galing ako sa TikTok. Tapos naalala ko, wala palang TikTok yung mga OFW, kaya andito ako. Sana ready na ang brain cells, ante, para makasali na sa next batch. Hi, ante. First time watching your live. VA na ako. At sa tuwing napapanood kita, ang dami ko pang natututunan. Mag-work ka ng maayos dyan, ma'am. What if, ante, nakafocus ka sa isang client lang kasi malaki ang sahod pero toxic? Why would I do that? What type of question is that? No. Ah... Ante, would you approach a coworker if he or she is being unprofessional during their first day? Normal lang ba yung training nasa mall? VA to, ma'am. Ante, how would you approach a coworker if he or she being unprofessional during their first day? Normal lang ba yung training nasa mall? Ma'am, hindi kita maintindihan, ma'am. Ano ba yung question mo? Yung normal or yung training? Watching while working. VA na ako, ante. Pero nag-transition ko karon para ma-premium applying imong tips. Go. Ante, paano po mag-apply? Apply saan? Magaling ka? Patingin ng portfolio mo. Ante, red flag ba yung client na ayaw ng contract, verbal agreement lang. Bakit ayaw niya ng contract? Tinanong mo bang bakit? Verbal agreement or either contract, wala naman talaga siyang ano, walang bearing naman talaga ang contract. The contract is existent for formality. Wala talaga siyang bearing. They can fire you, they can leave you, they cannot pay you, they can do whatever they want. Okay? Set proper expectations. Draw a line, boundary as early as ano, before accepting the offer. Again ha, huwag kayong tumanggap ng offer just because may offer na. Hello? Last client, wala nang iba? Pagkatsagaan na lang? Same ante, VA na ako pero feeling ko ang dami ko pang hindi alam. Learning more from your resources. Good job. Auntie Tracy, antay tanga, antay bobo. Huy, hindi naman ako. Mm, no comment. Huy. I'm working as a VA in the digital advertising company. Gusto ko mag-apply sa ibang VA para malaman ko kung makakapasok ba ako sa ibang linya ng VA. Kukuha muna ako ng mga info how. Ano yun VA, KZ? Share mo lang. Ante, possible po ba talaga na ma-hire kahit walang interview? Sinabak ako kagad. Eh di wow, ang galing mo. Naka-draft ba yung pay? Bago ka nagsimula mag-work. Ante, I don't have any experience in VA. Baka po sa CV ko at baka po sa CV ko ata may mali. Do you have any advice po on how to create a perfect resume and applying? And Diane, there's no such thing as, a universal um, structure of a perfect resume. Okay? You might have a generic um, Harvard style ATS resume, pero yung laman, yung content is gold. And then there's also one scenario, another scenario, your CV, your resume is gold, yung content gold, pero hindi mo siya kayang i-express through through interview, through speaking. Hindi mo siya mapanindigan. So it still doesn't make any sense. And you have to understand, ha, Andian, it is not just about the resume. Nung pumasok kayo sa industry na to, naisip niyo ba na marami na ang mas magagaling? Marami na ang may track record. Marami na ang may mga built portfolios with lots of proof. Paano kung nakasabayan mo sila sa pag-apply sa same job description? Why would the client choose you? Right? Now, ante, paano ba naman yan? Paano naman kami magiging VA? Kung ganyan pala, mas ipe-prefer pala ni client yung may mga experience kaysa sa wala. If you're the business owner, you have the capacity to pay a VA. Why would you pay somebody else's, someone na walang alam? 'Di ba? Nawante, paano nung kami makakapasok? I have posted the step-by-step guide on how to build your portfolio kahit wala kayong VA experience. Simulation, lahat na. You need to build a proof using real-world simulation na ipapakita nyo sa client na alam ko tong trabahong to. Ito yung proof, nagawa ko siya. Not with real clients, but with real legit simulation sites. Pinost ko yun, how to build your portfolio kahit even if wala kang experience. Hanapin nyo yun. Hindi ako nagkulang maglagay ito ng mga sagot sa mga tanong nyo. I mean, while on training through Zoom, he or she is at the mall, ante. Lagi pa siyang late. Eh, tanggalin mo. The hell? Ante, may offer ako, $1, map scraper po. Tanggapin mo. Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Buhay mo yan. Pagod na ako ka-advise sa inyo ah. Titigas ng mga utak niyo. Any thoughts po about newbie like me? Still learning, nagbabackread pa sa mga free resources mo. Na paano sa pasukin yung e-commerce niche. Ha? What do you what do you want to hear from me? Hindi kita maintindihan. Thoughts po sa newbie like me, nagbabackread pa, na planong pasukin ng e-commerce niche, mag-aral ka pa. Hanggang sa when the client asks you, why are you applying for an e-commerce position? What do you have? Why would I trust you to handle my online business? Ganun. Waiting. Ito, bago kayo mag-apply ha, bago kayo mag-apply, bago kayo tumigil sa pag-aaral, bago kayo mag-question sa buong mundo, bakit kayo hindi na-hire, isaksak mo na sa mga brain cells nyo na tatlo lang yung gumagalaw na number one, late na kayong pumasok sa industry. Marami na magagaling, marami nang matagal na, marami nang may track record, marami nang may mga built-in portfolio na maraming proof. Why would a client choose you? How are you gonna prepare? Ano iprepare mo? Anong paghahanda gagawin mo para at least makipagsabayan ka man lang sa mga experienced VAs? There's still big possibility na ma-hire kayo kahit wala kayong experience as a VA. Okay? Iba yung walang experience as a VA, iba yung walang experience na walang trabaho na nada, zero, walang alam sa buhay. And there's also another scenario wherein may mga clients na nag-hire ng mga VAs na newbie na walang VA experience pero may call center experience, teacher before, engineer before, cashier before kasi alam yung trabaho during the interview. He or she was able to tell the client na kaya ko tong trabaho because of this proof, ganyan, ganyan, yada, 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 yada. But ang percentage ng mga clients na ganyan, na may time na mag-train ng mga walang alam na mga VAs, mga baguhan, is very small. Most of the hirings na pinopost right now, ang hinahanap nila may alam. Hindi naman nakalagay dun na example, I am hiring for a social media manager and that person should have 5 years of VA experience. Walang nakalagay. Hindi yan maglalagay ng VA experience. Ang nilalagay niyan mostly is 5 years related sa job. You can be doing SMM na hindi VA. You can be doing SMM before with your friend's page, Facebook page. You can be doing SMM before with your friend's Instagram. That's related to the job. Naiirita talaga kung wala man akong VA experience. Was I a VA before ako naging VA? VA na ba ako bago ako naging VA? Naiirita ako sa tanong sa ano niyan sa mga rant na wala naman akong VA experience. We we all started with no VA experience. Pero may alam kami sa trabaho kasi inalam namin kung ano yung trabaho. Bago kayo mag-apply, bago kayo mag-rant, bago kayo mag-discourage. Naisip nyo ba na baka ang kasabayan nyo pag-apply sa posisyon na yun ay 10 Tracy? Paano kaya ako mapipili? Nagkakaintindihan tayo? Lahat ng tanong nyo nasa lessons ni Ante sa Blue App. May nag-reply. Do you have link? Ay, sana all. No. Mag-backread ka. Pasensya ka na. Ngayon mo lang ako nakita. Mahaba-haba ang backread mo. Ante, sa may experience po ako sa small business like ukay-ukay, chicken laying, passive income at nag-seller paminsan-minsan. At may 8 years treasury experience na gusto kong gumawa. Ano daw? Gusto kong magawa ng intro video. Pwede ba ilagay sa intro vid ko yun? Ang ilagay nyo sa intro video nyo, sa cover letter nyo, sa resume nyo are the details, skills, insights, infos that are only related to the job description that you're applying. It doesn't make any sense. For example, you are applying for social media manager. Nilagay mo yung experience mo dito na cashier. Yung hindi related ba? You will only put or you will only discuss or you will only mention the skill set na hinahanap sa job description. It will only confuse the client. It will only confuse the ATS. When they scan your resume, automatically guwak yan. Walang keywords dun sa job description. Only put details, infos sa resume nyo, sa cover letter nyo, sa intro video nyo na related sa ina-applyan nyo. That means, every time you send an application, different content ng resume, different content ng cover letter, different content ng intro video. Do not send one generic resume, one generic, I am very excited to apply, cover letter, one generic video to 100 job applications. Kaya kayo walang natatanggap na reply. Isa pa, submit ng applications. Alam niyo ba na napupunta sa spam yung mga emails, yung mga personal emails na first time mag-send ng email sa isang business email? Do you even know that you have to warm your emails first bago kayo mag-send ng application sa mga business emails? Now, you are ranting na hindi naman bumabalik si client sa mga reply, sa mga applications, walang reply if rejected kami or tanggap kami, wala nothing. Agency, walang reply, nothing. There is a big possibility na pag first time mong mag-send from your Gmail account to a business account, napupunta kayo sa spam. Hindi nyo alam. Second, kahit hindi kayo napunta sa spam, kahit nabasa ni client yung applications nyo or ng agency, the client, the agency, the recruiter doesn't owe you a fucking response. Imagine, nag-post sila ng ano, we're looking for 20 VAs. Ilang daang applications ang i-filter nila. They do not owe you a response. Mag-submit kayo ng application, let it go. If may mag-reply, thank you, Lord. If wala, that's fine. Let it go. Kaya nangyayari sa amin before, kasi ganyan yung atake namin when we started, ang dami naming client. Why? Sa submit namin ng application, hindi kami nag-expect na may babalik. Nagsasabay-sabay silang mag-contact sa amin. Na-surprise na lang kami na marami ng offer. Kahit na-hire na kami, we don't stop sending applications. Kasi we need to find a backup. Kasi alam namin how unstable this industry is. Hello, ante. Gumagamit sila ng AI detector for keyword research ng resume, di ba po? It's not an AI detector, it's ATS, Applicant Tracking System. It's a software na ginagamit ng mga HR. It will, it will, it will scrape, it will filter resumes na walang relate sa job applications. Pag walang maskan na keywords yung software na related sa job description, automatically guwak yung applications nyo. Ante, ano pong masuggest nyo? I'm a newbie SMM. No experience of working with other companies per my experience of managing my own business. Di ko alam kung anong i-ask ko na rate. Again, let's go back to the ano, to the very first rule. If you cannot defend what's your on your resume, if you don't even know what's your rate, you have to go back you have to go back from scratch, guys. Mag-aral na muna kayo. Alamin niyo muna yung industry, market rates. Ang dami niyo pang, my God, kayo eh. Ante, poor na bobo, bobo pa po question. When it comes with compensation, ano po ba ang safest cut-off? Weekly 15:30. Oli talks. If you present yourself as a ano, an independent contractor, you can lay down your non-negotiables. Okay? Either the client will meet halfway, or you will meet halfway, or both of you will disagree, or both of you will agree. If you approach the application or the client or the company or the agency with an employee mindset, or you have to follow their existing payroll structure, wala ka choice dun. You have to follow through. But then again, if your approach is an independent contractor, during the negotiation, maglalatag ka din ng non-negotiables mo, that's fine. Either the client will meet you halfway, you will meet halfway, you will both agree, or you will both disagree. So may chance po pala mag-apply even though may 100 applicants due to IETS. Discouraging po kasi pag madami nang nauna. So may chance po pa pala mag-apply even though may 100 applicants na due to ATS. Discouraging po kasi pag madami na nauna. Bakit ka na-discourage? Did you know na mas masakit pa 100 times more ang mawala ng client kaysa sa ma-reject 100 times sa application? So, what I mean to say is, if hindi nyo kaya yung heartbreak ng rejection during applications, hindi nyo kakayanin yung heartbreak pag bigla kayong ginost ng client. Yung close na kayo for years, you've been working for years, nakapundar ka na sa kanya for years, and then you were planning to build a house, and then a week after, he will let you go. Or December, December na, ang laki na ng vision mo na magiging maganda yung Pasko nyo sa family kasi first December, na VA ka na. You're very complacent kasi mabait si client. Tapos naka-receive ka ng email ng December 20 na last day mo na. If you cannot contain or control your emotions sa rejections during applications, ewan ko na lang sa inyo pag na-feel nyo yung mawala ng client. Ewan ko na talaga sa inyo. Iba yung heartbreak. Especially if breadwinner ka. Especially if kayo nasan sa pamilya. Tapos, yung pagising mo, maglalagin ka na sana, wala ka ng access, walang email, walang chat. Or kahit may email, sasabihan ka lang na, this is your last day. I'm sorry, but um, we have financial issues in the company and we can't do anything about it. This is not personal. This is a business decision. Ganun lang. Walang ibang chika. Ang sakit. Especially if close mo si client. But then again, hiring a VA, pay ng VA, increase ng VA, and firing a VA is nothing personal. It's business decision. So going back to your mga rant sa buhay about rejections, discouragement, hindi pa kayo nakakapasok, ang hihina ng loob nyo. The real battle sa industry na to is not how to become a VA or finding your first paying client. The real battle, the real struggle is when you finally get your first paying client, paano nyo siya makikip? Paano nyo siya paano ka magiging consistent? Paano ka pag magtatrabaho sa kanya while you are looking for a backup plan? Paano ka magtatrabaho sa kanya while you're still, learning and upskilling? Because hindi pwedeng magbaba lang yung rate. Dapat in the next few months, ma-increasean ka na. There's so many, Ang dami niyong hindi alam na ano kayo na cloud kayo for years of hype sa industry, for years of seeing success stories, for years of seeing six digits flaunting here and there sa social media. And now you came to my page, you found me, and then you heard me saying about all these things, the dark side of freelancing, the dark side of the industry. Tapos bigla kayong, oh my God, ganyan pala. Kaya pala mahirap. Now, if you are taking everything that I say as a discouragement, wag na lang ako mag-VA, oy, kakapagod pala dito. Wala parang stability, wala parang ano, wala parang assurance. No, wrong. Kailangan yung gawin, hindi na muna ako mag-resign sa trabaho ko, paghahandaan ko ang pagiging VA. Kailangan meron akong at least 3 months na ipon bago ako mag-resign or mag-apply as VA kasi matagal pa pala makahanap ng client. And if makahanap ka, hindi pa rin siya assurance na magtatagal. So, kailangan pa ng backup. Hindi na muna ako magbibili-bili ng mga kung ano-anong gamit if first client ko pa. Magfo-focus na muna ako sa pagsisave, save, save. After 1 year, siguro mag-upgrade. There's so much, there's so much more that you don't know about the industry. Since you were blinded by those hype, by those false promises, pumasok kayo sa industry na bulag, blind. Para kayong ano ba, naka-blindfold na pumasok sa room na walang ilaw, tapos nagrereklamo kayo na wala kayong makita. Ganun na nangyayari sa inyo. Now, Tracy came in, bringing the fucking torch. Pinamukha sa inyo na hindi tama yung pinagagawa nyo. It's either you will take it as an accountability, a shift of mindset na ay, wrong pala yung approach ko. Or ay, hindi na lang ako mag-VBA. It's up to you. Ako nakapapagod na akong kaka-advise sa inyo na wag niyong gawin yan, wag niyong gawin to. Go ahead because sometimes experience is the best teacher. Balikan niyo na lang ako pag tama ako. Ante, been a customer support VA for 6 years. Meron akong gusto na applyan kaso wala akong experience talaga sa tools. Ang ginawa ko, inaral ko sa YouTube tapos sasabihin ko na may experience ako. Okay lang naman yun, 'di ba? Kasi mag-training pa din naman if ever. That's called white lying. It's white lying. Make sure mo na lang na pag nakakuha mo yung work, hindi si client madi-disappoint. Kasi white lying often leads to client being difficult. Now, the client is not being difficult kasi difficult siya na pagkatao or strict siya or micromanaging siya. Sometimes, clients are being difficult because hindi mo nagagawa yung sinabi mo during the interview. Hindi mo nagawa yung sinabi mo kung bakit kanya hinire. Napafrustrate yung client kasi he trusted you because of what you said. So if you will still insist to do that, go ahead. Make sure na magagampanan mo ng mabuti yung sinabi mo. Inaral mo, go. At the end of the day, if the client will start being difficult with you, that means hindi mo nagampanan yung sinet mo na expectations. Hindi mo nagampanan yung sinabi mo kung bakit kanya hinire. White lie pa more. True, there are no loyal clients. Anytime they can let us go. No strings attached. And yeah, again, yeah, sometimes, ganito ha, huwag kayong masyadong emotional. Why? Again, when the client let us go, it's nothing personal. You can still be friends. But it's just that the business can't pay you anymore. That's it. True, never thought that my client will ever let me go in favor of automation daw. Grabe, he was able to grow his business because I took over everything he used then that he used to do. I was actually considered as partner. Masakit talaga. Yes, Gloria, 'di ba? And again, every decision, hiring a VA, increase ng VA, firing a VA, pay ng VA, it's a it's a business decision. It's never personal. Ante, what about if yung work is outsourced? Is it okay ilagay sa resume yung name ng company yung position? Example sa case ko, talent acquisition specialist position. I don't understand your question, JC. What about if your work is outsourced? In-outsource ka ng friend mo na VA. Ilagay mo, work pa din naman yun. Work pa din naman yun. Again ha, everything na ilalagay nyo sa resume nyo, sa cover letter nyo, tsaka sa intro video nyo, lahat related sa ina-applyan nyo. Wag kayo mag-apply na walang relation sa, alam nyo, kayong tanga. Why would you apply why would you apply for a position na hindi kayo qualified? Ano to? Loto? Raffle ticket? Ante, I saw you in LinkedIn. Thank you for inspiring me. I've been searching for 6 months. Yet I yet I just got 2 client interviews and didn't hear from them either. Anyways, I'm still learning from you. You saw me on LinkedIn? Hindi mo ako active dun? Hello, ante. New Year na. Ma-end na akong contract sa akong client ugma. Agay. Pero laban. That's just part of it. This is the world that you live in. This is the world that you choose to get involved with. Ante, nag-manage ako before ng business page ng client, pero yung mga task ko lang ay sending welcome messages dun sa mga nagko-comment interested sa services ng client ko. Nag-reply, nag-reply sa comments with templates from the client. Ma-consider ba yan as SMM experience? Yeah, management. Hindi pa ako gumagawa ng posting. That's fine. That's what do you call this? Community builder. Ano ba yun? May ibang term yan eh. Community engagement. I am happy with my clients. I always do under promise over deliver impressions. Good for you. Wanted to upscale ante. Any suggestions po? May program pa ba? When it comes to upskilling, when it comes to finding your niche, huwag kayong magtanong sa ibang tao. Why? The other people doesn't know you. I don't know you. Parang sabihin ko mag-bookkeeping ka tas bobo ka sa math. 'Di ba? Doesn't make any sense. Ask yourself. Assessment. Someone someone posted you in LinkedIn rather. Ah, okay. Community manager. Yeah, correct. 'Di ba? Ang talino nyo. I have a friend na outsourced some of her work to me though yung friend ko mismo nag-work sa company, baka lang kasi ang dating is fake it till you make it. Ang dating nilagay sa company resume. Friend, mag-ask ka muna sa friend mo. Baka hindi alam ng company niya na in-outsource pala tapos mag-apply ka. Tapos chinika mo dun na in-outsource ka. Baka pahamak pa yung friend mo. Coordinate with your friend. Saglit lang ha. Anong kailangan sa akin ng mga to? Pa-out na ako ah. Grabe, ang ganda talaga mga real talk mo, ante. Noted, ante. Thank you sa pagsagot. Yun sa tanong ko during the VA Fundamentals Batch 9 webinar natin. Ah, really? Hindi ka naka-chance na magtanong? Kawawa ka naman. Mm. Wala na kayo bang ibang tanong na may sense? Yun na. I-end ko na to. Bisyong-bisyo na ako. Hindi ako makapagbisyo sa inyo. Kasi hindi kayo madala sa labas. Magto 2 years na akong SMM pero wala international client na nakuha. Sign na ba na mag-change ako ng ilang na ibang niche? Why would you wait for 2 years? I don't know if nahanap niyo yung post ko about about data, like um figuring out bakit hindi kayo nakaka-hire. Um Mag-collect kayo ng data. For example, nag-submit kayo ng 50 applications. Ilan doon ang may reply, ilan doon yung walang reply, ilan doon yung may interview, pero hindi ka nakapasa. Kasi, if mas marami yung walang nagre-reply, it's a resume problem. If marami yung na-interview ka, pero hindi ka nakapasa, that's communication problem or hindi mo napanindigan yung nasa resume mo. You have to track numbers. Numbers don't lie, guys. Yan rin yung laging tanong sa akin. Paano daw maging VA? Gusto rin nila. Paano daw gagawin nila? Ikaw na i-recommend ko kapag may nagtanong ulit. Magbalagay ka pa ng bobo dito, May. My God. Humana kog back read, ante. Do it for 3 days with notes. Praying good ko nga maapil. Laban. Bistro break. Kaya nga, di ba, walang bistro break dito. I've been imprisoned due to trumped at charge by eventually dismissed for almost 10 years. Ano yung trumped up charge? I would know that would for that to be released. Clueless. Yada, yada, yada. Hold on. This is a great story. I've been imprisoned due to a thumbed up charge, but eventually dismissed for almost 10 years. I would not know what life would be after my release. I was clueless about the current outsourcing trend, and I fail on focusing on one niche to pursue na humaling sa trend. I took courses about that niche, but it is hard to penetrate that niche since it is more on corporate in nature. Then I decided to go back to what I am good at, SEO. I took refresher courses and 3 months after I got two clients, one direct and one from an agency. Now, in my second year na sa direct client ko and then eventually dropped the agency. Share mo lang, Frolien. Good job though. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. See? Whatever shit that happens to your life, it's either you get stuck with it or you move forward. Ante right now currently voice VA ako. Ang plan ko mag-switch to non-voice unlike Amazon VA or Shopify. Anong suggest nyo for upskilling? Juha, as I've said, hindi ako nagsasuggest ng niche or ng upskilling or whatever it is. Assess yourself. Hindi ko kayo kilala. Kung kapatid kita, alam ko kung isuggest ko sa'yo, kapatid kita, but even friends, I don't know. Pwede po ba mag-join sa upcoming training? Bala ka. The question is, mahahanap mo ba yung access? Isama mo kami para marinig namin yung brain cells. Dadalhin ko to sa labas, tong laptop ko. Ang daming tatanggalin na wire, ma'am. Kung naay mangutana saon pag BA, ingnon ra nako nga pag-follow ni auntie. Huy! Bastos! Nilagyan niyo na ako ng mga bobo dito. Kayo talaga nagpaparami ng mga bobo dito. Hi, ante. I am an OFVA. Saan pwedeng maghanap ng client for freelance? Sana all. They're everywhere. The question is, are you qualified? Clients are everywhere, guys. You're just unfortunately unqualified. Work your ass off. Ante, ask lang ko if okay ra ba ang email gamiton sa pag-apply is na yung number after surname like name. Why don't you create a new one? Why would you just settle for a tsaka email? Ano, sa puso mo at gmail.com? The hell? Kaya mag-check out sa book sa imong recommend ante. Kay para ma-enhance ang English com skills. And watching din sa YouTube, dagang kog invite interview pero mabagsak yun. See? You found your your weak spot. So, enhance it. Bisyo break na lang muna, ante. Wait ka namin. Really? Ante have a bookkeeping experience, executive secretary, also been a supervisor, pero on-site tanan maliban sa team leader which is matawag na sad og hybrid. Kay kami man ga survey. Tagaay kog idea magunsa ko. Forte gyud nako tanan, mabobo ko diri ah. Kapuyan ninyo pangutana ay kabalo mo sa inyong tubag ana. Are you hiring, ante? Hans, may nakikita kang hiring dito, Hans? Thanks, ante. Nakaabot gyud ko sa live nimo. Pa-end na ko, ma'am. Nakaka-enlighten ang understanding that readiness and starting will be a decision not a feeling. Taking at a time, makinig na muna. Ante, working with my portfolio po. Can't wait to share it with you soon po. So studying. Ay, by the way guys, tomorrow, sa YouTube live, sa Red App Live, I will spend an hour na mag-check ng mga resumes at mga portfolio nyo. So I'll see you guys. Do I have Wednesday? Baka meron akong ano, 'di ba? Check ko lang yung ano ko, yung calendar ko. Kasi marami akong podcast invites. Yung kanina, hindi ko talaga siya na ano, nasipot kasi ang lakas ng ulan and the kids were, I mean, yung teacher ba ng kids ba nagsabi na pauwiin daw yung mga bata kasi ang lakas ng ulan. After lunch, hindi talaga ako nakaabot. Sorry talaga, Juvel. Yeah, Juvel. Next time na lang. Check ko yung calendar ko ha. Wednesday. Bobo, hindi itong calendar na to. Ang daming calendar niyan, te. I'm really disappointed with myself kanina. Hindi ako nakapasok dun sa ano. Ay, wala. Nothing is planned for tomorrow. So, tomorrow at around um 3 p.m. Pagagising ni Uncle, mga 3 p.m. I'll be on live sa Red App. Ipopost ko 'yan para di niyo makalimutan. I'll be checking your resumes and portfolio. So make sure shareable. Make sure pag-click ko sa link, nabubuksan kagad. Ante, blue up, girly ka na, di ka na black up. Galing ako sa black up. May mga, wala kasing OFW doon, nandito sila. Oh, excuse me mo. Hmm? Ikumuan ka? Alright, ano muna kayo ha, mag-compose na muna kayo ng questions nyo. I will be back in 5 minutes. Bisyong-bisyo na si Ante. Ante, na-invite mo din mo pa sa podcast si Virtually Jean. Kasi as far as I remember, parang pinalo ka din niya. Di ko alam, ma'am. Itutuloy pa natin to or i-off ko na to kasi bisyong-bisyo na talaga ako. Ano pong sagot sa comprehension wala pang sagot. Hipak mo na yan, ante. Sige, I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll be back. I'll bring the food. Okay, the bitch is back. Ante, mawala ang net ko. Sorry po. Salamat sa sagot earlier. community. Errol Tuizon ante. Yan, nakaschedule kami ni Errol. January? February 20 ata. Nakaschedule kami. February 20. Podcasts ni Errol. Uh, Asan na yung mga tanong nyo? I-off ko na to. Uh, 172? Wala mang katanong? Kasi yung mga questions yung nag-google. How do you manage your time? I am very particular with time management talaga, guys. Like for example, sa trabaho ko, since wala namang time tracker dito, deliverables, as long as you deliver the output in time, ginagawa ko siya, inuupuan ko siya. Ito may nangangailangan. Hey guys, with possible that to be cemented sense for customers still in their product again. Any thoughts on Brian Ante? What do you want to hear? I think he has been giving out free resources then, guys, for years. Ante, training link, kailan? Matagal ko na na-post yung saan magpa-register, hanapin mo. I mean, the other day pala. Just like Ante, dapat on board ang partners para sa teamwork at managing ng time. Wala tuloy ako sa chika ko kanina sa time management. Yun. Um, since wala namang time tracker yung mga client ko, as long as ma-deliver ko lang yung output na kailangan nila in time, I can sit down for like 8 hours and do a 2-week work. Tapos chill-chill na lang ako after. Update na lang. Pwede po ba send kung saan mag-register? Huy, buntis ka. Hayop kang buntis ka. How are you, Chen? Opo, nagbibigay po siya ng free tas binibenta ng iba. It's atay. Ninanakaw din yung mga free resources ko dito. Tas binibenta sa mga tanga tsaka sa mga bobong hindi marunong mag-investigate. Ante, nung newbie ka, not sure if uso pa yung Upwork nun, pero paano mo na-assure na makompensate ka ng client lalo na hindi dumaan sa ganyong platform? Yes, 15 years ago, hindi pa Upwork yun, Odesk pa. Bago pa naging Odesk, Elance pa ang pangalan ng Upwork. So, Elance, Upwork, and then Odesk. Um, ang ginagawa namin before, since may mga deduction si Upwork, nilalabas namin sa Upwork ng before day, there's no assurance. Wala naman talagang assurance. Kahit pa magbayad siya straight 6 months, 1 year, there's still possibility na they will stop paying you. So, important talaga na may backup ka. Wala talagang assurance. Kahit mag-set ka pa ng proper expectations. Question, kaya kami, hindi kami basta-basta tumatanggap ng trabaho or ng offer. Yung para bang, just because may offer na yun, no. Nag-collect kami ng offer. Tapos nag-select kami ng best offer. Ganun. Question po, is it possible po ba na ma-hire ang isang VA for video editing role kahit EA ang niche niya? Kung magaling ka nang mag-edit, why not? Mag-apply ka ng video editor. Tapos hindi ka marunong mag-video editor. Doesn't make any sense. Ang sipag talaga mag-live. Ang dami kasing bobo, Chen. Huy. Wow, so dapat unahin muna yung work sa client kaya i-set down. So dapat unahin muna yung work sa client kung kaya i-set down ng isang araw. Ante, pagpapiliin ka yourself, cold calling or EVA? Wala. Ayoko nang may time tracker. Ayoko nang paid per hour. Tapos na ako sa era na yan. Ante, anong fab scent mo sa Therapy? Yung mint, yung inhaler. Speaking of Therapy, asan na ba yung inhaler ko? How long kasi imong longest working client kung sa pero kaya kaya mo 6 years. 6 years. Uh, Moms, what if na ID mo attend sa imong tubigon sesh? Ako na lang bi. Huy. Karen, I will coordinate with the LGU na i-post ulit yung registration 2 days before. Baka may mag-back out. Hi, ante. Question po. Unsay internet provider nimo po? Salamat sa pagtubag. Hindi ka makarelate, ma'am, kasi local to. Local internet service provider. Nakakuha rin ako ng mga wireless orders dati. Hold on, nagising si premium client. Lumabas si Uncle. Saglit lang. Say hello to premium client. Ito yung premium client that requires premium VA. Si premium VA. Asa ba si Uncle? Lumabas man kasi si premium VA. Itong batang to, nasisense niya pag wala yung tatay niya. Gumigising talaga today. Hi, ante. Ang search rin pwede sudlan. Naka-experience sa social media manager. Yung kadali sa cold calling. Ang pwede matutunan. Nakalukat na ako sa akong laptop. Ano daw? Ang training pwede sudlan. Naka-experience sa social media. Mag-social media ka. At first payment po ba lahat? Client mo or doon ka lang napapabayad tapos na ginawa yung project. What do you mean? I don't work with project based as well. I'm looking for long-term client, long-term commitments, long-term retainer. Hindi pwedeng project based. And my job is not my skill set is not for project based as well. Hi. Hello. Hi. How do you manage your salary or expenses po? Sorry. Curious lang ko. Di ko masap sarili ko mag-buy. Naku, Erika. Medyo medyo swerte-swerte ako sa part na yan kasi kami ni Uncle hindi kami maluho. Yung bisyo lang yung ano namin ni Uncle. Yossi, yun lang. Tsaka yung kuko ko. Apart from that, sa mga bata na, hindi kami palalabas. And then, Uncle can cook. As long as may ingredients dito sa bahay. Laban. Ang rason sa lahat ng efforts ni Auntie. True. Nakikinig Silver sa mga sagot mo, Auntie. Pilay bayad sa training, Auntie. If mag-back out po, walang bayad pero hindi ka na makakapasok ever. Hi! Hello! Why did you wake up? Hmm? Hmm? Why did you wake up? Because Papa is out. Ante, kung nagsisimula kayo ngayon na maraming available VA mentors online, ano po yung rule nyo sa pagpili kung alin ang papakinggan at alin ang i-ignore muna? Very good question. Siguro hindi na muna ako magme-mentor knowing that may mga AI. Kasi before naman, 15 years ago, wala namang mga mentor-mentor. Google tsaka YouTube lang naman kami. Now, knowing na if ngayon ako mag-VVA sa 2026 with all the AI, magla-leverage muna ako ng AI dahil hindi kasi ako dependent na person. Hindi, tas nahihiya ako magtanong ng mga questions na nakakabobo. So, kung kaya ko panghanapan ng paraan mag-isa, maghahanap ako ng paraan mag-isa. Mamaya na ako magtanong after I leverage all the free resources. Tas wala pa rin ako makuha na sagot. Ganun. What I mean po if mag-back out po, pwede po akong What I mean po if mag-back out po, pwede ako makasulod. May mag-back out? I don't know. Mag-abang ka na lang kasi nag-live naman ako pag nag-training. Dilat ang mata, gising na gising. True. Hi. Hi. Hmm. Hmm. Why are you awake? Why are you awake? Why are you awake? Hmm. 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 Why are you awake? Why are you awake? Say, hi. Hello. Hmm? Hmm. Any advice po sa mga taong yan po mag-transition into VA? Per wig lang sasabihin na takot sila sa interview. Di nila alam ang gagawin nila. Huwag kayong mag-apply. Huwag kayong mag-VA. Part yan ng, ng virtual assistance. Yung in negotiation with the client. Nung gusto nyo, bigyan lang kayo ng client kasi no wrong. Work it on yourself. Kahit pa si Batman, hindi ka matutulungan. Pag confidence ba? Confidence, um, strengths, it's yourself. It's on you. Walang magtuturo sa inyo, walang mag-guide. Kahit samahan pa kita sa interview, kahit mag-cheerleader pa ako sa likod mo, it's still on you. Work it on yourself. Naglungad si Bibi. Huy, kaya pala basa. Kaya pala basa ang kamay ni Mother. Alam niyo kung bakit ganito yung buhok ni Premium Client? Pinaglihi ko to kay Gojumpyo. I am not, I'm not kidding. Nung buntis ako, day. Nakailang ulit ako nung Voice Over Flowers na hayop. Tsaka yung The King of Eternal Monarch. Hindi lang siya mukhang si Gojumpyo, pero yung buhok niya, Gojumpyo. Nagdura po si Premium Client, auntie. Anong name ni baby? Silver. Ante, kung i-rate mo ang AI ngayong AI model sa ngayon, ang best sa market. ChatGPT, huy. Dugaya man imong papa. Need po ba maging fluent sa English ante pag mag-BA? Yung fluency plus 1 million yun sa langit. Ang kailangan naman talaga is ano, clarity. Okay, hindi kailangan best in pronunciation, clarity. You are able to convey your thoughts to the client, vice versa. Naiintindihan kanila, naiintindihan mo sila. Pero kung magaling ka sa English, best in grammar ka, fluent ka, plus one yun sa langit. Pagdating ng papa nito, ikakarga to ng mga 5 minutes, tulog to ulit. Promise. Kaya nagda-doubt kami na sumama si uncle sa akin sa Davao next month. Kasi baka hindi tumatulog day. Or isasama namin, natatakot din ako. Kasi mag-airplane. Baka ako lang mag-isa pumunta sa Davao. Pa, paggawas din mo.
Bakit? Bakit? I'm shocking to see you. Why, why, na nasabak mama?
Isa pa yung nakakabobo yung King if Eternal Monarch. 'Di ba? Hindi ko rin siya maintindihan kung bakit nangyari yun. Pero gwapong-gwapo ko kay Gu Jumpio. Kaya this si Baby Silver.
Sabak-sabak ni mama. Ah,
Paano ko pa pa?
bakit nasabak-sabak ni mama ni? Sabak-sabak mo na mama.
Tag-amblay ko ma-surprise. Atong i-surprise si Papa. Nagbalik ni Papa, pe. Hindi yan nocturnal, ma'am. Gumigising talaga yan pag wala yung papa niya. Say, mahadlok ko musipot sa interview. Magsugod pa kog virtual work about 20 plus years sa virus on-site work. Mao po na need na ko ma-overcome unsaon. Unsaon. Ante. Huy. You have to overcome it by yourself. Walang makakatulong sa'yo, sarili mo lang. Ante, okay lang yan. Baby ko kasama sa airplane, 5 months pa lang siya, 2 hours flight lang naman po. 2 hours ba? Bohol to Davao? Over 45 minutes lang siguro eh. 45? Ante, yung niche mo nung long-term client, ante, anong niche mo nung may long-term client ka? Sales and marketing. Kakasaba ko lang sa interview na wante. Agency nag-interview sa akin. Sobrang taray manunoy. Like pa yung direct client. Kinabahan ako 1,000 times. Magpa-interview, yan ang magpa-interview hanggang sa masanay kayo. Ano to? Question po. What would you do if you receive a task and you don't know how to complete? Paano ka nakapasok sa trabaho? First question. Paano ka nakapasok sa trabaho? Nang fikit-lumikit na naman kayo? Anong niche mo naman, te? What course do you do as a VA? What do you do as a VA? Yung isang client ko, ma'am, etong client ko nga sa UK, CRM strategist, CRM specialist. Sa isang client ko, business growth consultant. And ante, ano yung mindset shift na pinaka nakatulong sa'yo? Huwag maging emotional, ma'am. Don't take everything personally. Ante, ano sa tingin mo ang dapat ang habit iwasan ng mga beginners para hindi maging AI dependent habang nagli-learn? Magbasa, ma'am. I-try nyo maghanap ng paraan na hindi magkatanong sa AI. Pero if I was a beginner right now, mag-AI ako eh. Pero ganito kasi, AI is there not to not to deviate us from the real world. It should help us. It should be as an assistant, not somebody we can depend on. Okay? It should be there para mapagaan yung trabaho natin, mapabilis, mapa-accurate. It should not be a reason bakit maging dependent tayo. We can still use our own brain cells, our own manual research if in case magsa-stop mag-work yung AI. True. AI is there not to replace us, but to make our job easier, faster, and more efficient. Depende yan sa interpretation nyo. No po. Example po, like newbie po kayo. Kung newbie ako, hindi ako makakapasok sa work na hindi ko alam, ma'am. Isa talaga yung rule ko, ma'am, ha, newbie or not. Hindi ako mag-a-apply sa trabaho na hindi ko alam. Nakakahiya yun. How would you going to explain yourself if the client will ask why you're a fit for the role? Ante, bumabait ka na ngayon. Nung nasa black up tayo, hindi ka nagmamam sa amin. Huy, nagmamam naman ako. Different promo. Wanted to be Are you Let's say ganun po, ante. Nag-apply lang siya pero di po niya alam ang gagawin niya. Nag-take po ng course or nag-research tas ending sa isang BA po. Saglit lang, hindi kita maintindihan. Nag-apply lang siya pero hindi po niya alam ang gagawin niya. Nag-take po ng nag-take po ng course o nag-research tas ending sa isang BA po siya, nakilala niya yung task na pong gagawin. Ma'am, hindi kita maintindihan, ma'am. Nag-research, tas ang ending sa isang VA po siya, nakakilala niya, siya nag-ask kung ano po yung gagawin niya. Gets ko na. Nag-apply lang siya, pero hindi niya alam ang gagawin niya. Nag-take po ng course or nag-research as ang ending sa isang BA po siya, nakakilala niya, nag-ask kung paano gagawin niya. Parang tanga. Nang hassle ka pa ng ibang tao sa katangahan mo. No. Una sa lahat, do not apply for any position, for any job description na hindi nyo alam. Natsambahan, natsambahan magud nako tong client nako $1.5 ang bayad sa ako pero gusto ko lang ako kay sayang din. Wrong mindset. Ito ha, I understand that we are tired of being poor. I've been there. I understand that it's very tiring. It's paano ko ba 'to i-elaborate? Um, Yun na nga, nakakapagod maging mahirap. So, when an opportunity comes to us, kahit na red flag, kahit na low ball, kahit na stress, kahit na toxic, tinatanggap natin. Hindi nyo binabalance yung idea, yung logic na kaya nga kayo nag-VA para gumaan yung buhay nyo. But because you decide through emotions, through need, not through logic, ang ending para pa din kayong walang improvement. Iba yung surviving sa thriving. Okay? When you say surviving, araw-araw kang kumakayod, araw-araw kang nag-effort, 110%, walang improvement. When you say you're thriving, same effort, ano, same kayod, pero may nagbabago. Nag-i-improve yung buhay nyo. Every time you base a decision based on emotions, based on your current status, not on data, not on logic, kaya kayo na-exploit ng mga clients. Intro pa lang, nararamdaman na ng client na scarcity mindset, fear of rejections. So, the client will say, ha, matatakot to mawalan ng trabaho. So, $1.5, okay na ito, mabubuhay na to. Kayo naman, na gustong-gusto na, di ba, the point na maging VA is para umangat sa buhay, hindi para alilain ng client. But why is it na ganyan na nangyayari sa inyo? I'll bring that question back to you, be. Di ba? Ang point natin kung bakit tayo gustong-gusto maging VA is umangat yung pamumuhay natin. Bakit hindi kayo naaangat? Paano pasagot, be? Pasagot, be. Kasi parang ako lang yung tinatanong nyo ng mga ganyan ba? Let me ask you. Let me ask you. Ang point nyo kung bakit gustong-gusto nyo maging VA is para umangat-angat sa buhay. Pero bakit hindi kayo umaangat VA na naman kayo? Because you settle for less. You settle for sayang din. Kaya dumadami yung mga clients na naglulobol. Kasi marami kayong desperate. Desperation. Very wrong move. Alam ko naman, naiintindihan ko naman kayo. Galing naman ako diyan, pero sometimes kasi we have to to sacrifice long enough for for brighter for brighter future ahead. Ang inyo kasi is short term goals. We should have a long term goal, guys. Okay? Para saan yung 100 rejections? Kung yung 101, yun yung magbibigay sa'yo ng life that you wanted. Tatanggapin nyo yung yung offer. Kasi sayang, dumating 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, hindi kayo iningkrisan, toxic. Sana hindi na kayo nag-work. Nawala na yung essence kung bakit tayo nag-VA. Hindi kayo nakahanap ng magandang buhay. Tinuduhan nyo pa yung katangahan nyo. Ante, anong ginagawa mo special dito sa consultation is, I grow businesses, Maria. I grow businesses through marketing initiatives. Dili gyud magsettle anang low ball or less than your worth. Ginabaligya gani mo yung mga skills or services. Know your how to market yourself if you know. That's the truth and that should be the case, okay? But ang nangyayari kasi, naintindihan ko kasi kung saan nanggagaling tong mga 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 very poor mindset. The poor mindset, pinost ko to 2 weeks ago. The truth about poor mindset. Lahat ng decision nyo naka-based sa emotions. Naka-based sa scarcity na parang last na client na sa buong buong buhay. Yung parang wala nang pag-asa, ito na. No. Ante, pwede na ko himuong sample akong FB page sa una aron mabutang sa akong portfolio if maka-proceed sa interview dayon pangutanong nga nung nag-stop. Prepare yourself to answer that question. Dawat sa offer, gain experience and master it. Ganito ha, if somebody will offer you $3 an hour as a start rate, that's fine. This will be a different POVs sa ibang mga VAs din na ayaw talagang tumanggap ng very low rate. Now, my point is, we have to start somewhere. Makinig kayo hindi pa ako tapos. If somebody will offer you $3 an hour as a starting rate, tanggapin nyo because we have to start somewhere. Now, the catch is, bakit nyo paaabutin yung $3 an hour ng 3 years? Start rate lang yun dapat. When you receive the offer, you set proper expectation to the client that client, I will accept this $3 an hour as my start rate. This is not my forever rate. This will increase in time based on my productivity and my years of services or months of services. We are going to discuss this again in 6 months or in 12 months. Ganun. Mag-set kayo ng proper expectations. Or kahit 3 months, galingan nyo masyado. Mag-bank kayo ng proof ng mga praises ni client, ng mga appreciation ni client. Mag-bank kayo ng proof ng numbers na mayroon kayong impact sa business ng client para in 3 months or maybe in 2 months, you can circle back to the discussion of the pay. That client, I've already shown you my worth. I've shown you what I can do. This is the proof. Screenshot, screenshot, screenshot. Discuss the pay increase. Na if ayaw niya, he is not seeing your worth. Bago ka lumayas dyan, maghanap ka ng bagong client. Why would you stay for 3 years for the same rate? Bakit hindi kayo marunong mag-stand on your ground? Bakit kayo natatakot mawala ng client? Tapos nagreklamo kayo na burnout kayo. It doesn't make any sense. Paintindihin niyo ako sa mindset niyo yan, please lang. Ante, matalino at maalam ka na po ba agad sa ganitong industry before mo pasukin to or naging knowledgeable ka lang na no, LMA, to be honest, wala akong alam 15 years ago ano tong trabahong to. Nada. Every time I need to know something, Google. Every time I need to know something, YouTube. We learned everything through hit and miss, through bad clients, through bad actions, bad decisions, ghosting clients, bad experiences. If you will ask me, if I would go back in time, would I change anything? No. Why? Lahat ng mga maling ginawa ko, lahat ng mga bad decisions, wrong clients, bad clients, everything, good or bad, na pinagdaanan ko, it made me who I am today. It made me um, gain this wisdom na mai-share sa inyo na huwag niyong daanan yan kasi napagdaanan ko na yan. But at the end of the day, titigas naman ang mga ulo niyo. Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. Hi, Ante. Thank you so much for all these resources and tips. Already working on my portfolio and Notion po. I'm just wondering if I will include the business of my cousin as a sample since I'm a newbie and a housewife. Trying to educate myself and upskill, also planning to make a website of their business. Make it a sample of my future client. Yeah, go ahead. Anything. Anything. Kahit fake CRM, fake website, fake social media na pinaganda nyo, as a ganito kasi, it doesn't matter if it's fake or real. As someone na wala pang walang experience sa VA, you just have to bank a proof. You need to ano, mag-imbak kayo ng proof na kaya niyo yung work. For example, ikaw, magwe-web design ka, go ahead, create 10 website, iba-ibang niche. Bank it, screenshot, ilagay sa portfolio. You can show it to the client, I can do this, I can do that. Okay ba i-reference ang mock-up creative Facebook sa kanyang gihimo? Yeah, go ahead. Anything, guys. Simulation, real life simulation, real work simulation. It doesn't have to be a real client, okay? How are you going to have a real client proof? Wala pa naman kayong client, 'di ba? But you have to do something. Gumawa kayo ng sample, proof. Example, SMM ka. Talk to your friends na may mga page. Hawakan mo ng 2 linggo. Palaguin mo. Screenshot the analytics. Ilagay sa portfolio. Or gawa ka ng page mo. Example, graphics designer, ang niche mo, wala ka pang client ever. Mag-design ka dyan. Para yan, iba't ibang niche na design. E-commerce, email designs, lahat-lahat na ilagay mo sa portfolio. That's a proof that you can do the job. Same as video editors. Add-on lang ante, dapat ini-interview na din ng client. Hindi pwedeng kayo lang. Isa pa din 'yan. Ganito ha, during the interview, listen, during the interview or the client negotiation or the discovery call as we call it. We don't call it an interview actually. We call it a discovery call because an interview is like employee employer. Discovery call is like a negotiation. Every time my interview, my discovery call, my client negotiation, after the client asks you questions, he gather everything, all the information he needs. At the end of the conversation, not really end, but most of the time, pinaka last na question ng client is, do you have any questions for me? What would you say? What would you say? When the client asks, do you have any questions for me? Hello? Wag sumali yung mga trainee ko, be. Wag sumali yung mga matagal ng tambay sa live ko. Let the new people answer here. Wag sumali yung mga tambay sa live ko. Gemma. Eme kayo. Wag ngang sumali. If the client is asking questions to make sure we are fit for their business, we also have to ask questions to make sure they are fit for our services. Period. Hindi sila mataas dahil client sila. Hindi ka mababa dahil VA ka. No. Change that fucking mindset, guys. You are a service provider. You are a service provider. You are a business as a service. So if wala kayong questions para sa client, if wala kayong smart questions para sa client, that's definitely the reason why hindi kayo na-hire. Employee-employer pa din yung mindset nyo. Kahit sa agency ka magpa-interview, still ask questions about the agency. Still ask questions about the environment within the agency. Still ask questions about the late pays if there are. Huwag kayong mag-start ng work nang walang naka-email or naka-file na expectations. Hourly rate, hourly number of hours na magkatrabaho kayo, list of tasks, what will happen if may additional task na wala sa list, um, pay date, what will happen if delay yung pay, is there any penalties, dapat nakasulat yan lahat. Wag na wag kayong papayag o magsa-start ng work or tanggapin yung offer nang walang ganong negotiation or detailed agreement. Hindi pwede yung, mamaya natin mag-usap yan after 1 month. Let's see if marunong kayo mag-work, if marunong kang mag-work. No. You don't play games with your business. You don't play games with your work. What would success look like in the first few months for someone in this role? Wala. Morris Espinosa, you cannot see success in the first few months. No. In the first few months, hit or miss pa yan. Hindi pa yan sure if magkatagal yung client or magkatagal ka. It's hit or miss. Success as a VA looks like or feels like hindi ka na natatakot mawala ng client because you know how to find another one, you have a backup plan, you have an emergency fund. Yan yung success as a VA for me. Yung hindi ka na nga nangangarag na pag napagalitan ka ng client, hindi ka nakakabahan. Na pag nagkamali ka, hindi ka nakakabahan. I mean, if magkamali ka, kung katangahan mo naman, it's not about hindi ka kakabahan, you have to fix it. Pero ang point ko there is, a successful VA, a successful freelancer, is someone na ang nakakapag-stable sa sarili niya is hindi yung client, but sarili niya mismo. Yung alam na alam niya sa sarili niya na kung mawala man yung client, may backup siya, hindi siya masi-zero. Makahanap siya ng kapalit in time. May emergency funds while naghahanap ng ibang client. Ganun yung successful na VA. Awat na guys, mag-aalauna na. Last two questions. Anong sign na red flag si client ate? Walang digital footprint. Walang website, walang LinkedIn, walang socials. Paano kung kakastart lang niya ante, like, tiro lahat, magbigay siya ng proof. Maghingi ka ng advance payment. Ante, nagbaya ko ng libro mo. Yay! Can I accept other job while working with you? If kaya ng katawang lupa mo, why not? The the golden rule of handling multiple client is you must do your job so well, exceptionally well, na hindi mahahalata ng lahat ng client mo na may iba kang client. Period. Last two questions, ang dami pa pala. Ante, question. Ano pong insight nyo sa mga interviews na nag-check ng internet speed test? I'm based overseas, transitioning into VA role. Madalas po ako nakita ng internet speed test check. It's important, hello. Normal yan. Kailangan mo talaga ng malakas na internet pag mag-VA ka. It should be your unique, it should be your, one of your unique, hindi siya unique, but it's like a standard value proposition. Dapat maganda yung mo, internet. Do they really give advance payment, ante? Yeah. If marunong kayong magposisyon sa sarili niyo, if you know how to negotiate. Ante, paano po pag graphic designer sa e-commerce company, then wala pong idea about sa ongoing sales nila, pero gusto pong mag-request ng increase. Okay po ba yung pag-present ako ng previous listings, yung image nila, yung design ko, you don't need, Fatima, you don't need to know. Okay, you don't need to know their sales, their income, their revenue, whatever it is. You just have to bank proof na ka-increase ka. May libro ka pala, ante, OMG. Huy, hindi ko libro, hayop kayo. May nire-recommend ako ng mga libro to to learn, better English. Ipopost ko mamaya after this live. Ante, ask lang sana if sinabi mo sa client that you have other clients. Why would I tell the why would I tell my client that I have other clients? First of all, it's none of their business. As long as hindi ko pinapabayaan yung trabaho ko sa client ko, as long as hindi naapektuhan yung trabaho ko sa client ko, as long as I still met or exceed the expectations, I don't have to tell them. This is my business. It's not theirs. Ante, na ay nag-reach out na ako po sa akin sa OLJ. Na-shock sa position kasi feeling ko na over-optimize ko yung profile ko to get such offer. But I will respond to it, matry na maka-discover ko. Go, Koy! Kausapin mo pa din. Ganito ha, magpa-interview kayo ng magpa-interview para ma-practice kayo. Mastery requires repetition. Okay? Lahat ng mga interview nyo, client discovery call, client negotiation, record it. After, listen to your recording, watch yourself, list down what you could have done better, what you could have said better, you could have practiced better, yada yada yada. Lahat ng learnings mo sa interview na yan, dalhin mo sa next interview. So, ang mangyayari, kaka-interview, kaka-reject, gagaling ka, moving forward. Huwag niyong gamitin yung rejection as discouragement or negative. kaka-reject ng kaka-reject yung client sa'yo, may nalilearn ka, nag-i-improve ka every interview. Now, the problem will be if wala kang improvement every interview. Kasi wala kang pag-asa. Huy. Anyway, yun yung point na yun. Ante, anong insight nyo sa mga client na nagpapasend ng Loom video during application? Send! Before, I really hate it. Honestly, I really hate it when nakakita ako ng bakit. Hindi naman sa I hate it because I hate it. I hate kasi mag-e-effort na naman ako. Mag-makeup na naman ako, mag-record na naman ako. May mga manok na naman, may mga kambing na naman, may mga motor na naman dadaan. It's tedious, okay? Ang, ang tamad ko na pagkatao. But I realized while I was doing training with the newbies right now, ang dami ng mga galing, ang dami ng may track record, ang dami ng... You have to do something that sets you apart from the competition. Kahit hindi hingi ni client, mag-send ka ng Linktree. Linktree or Bitly. Na pag open ni client sa Linktree or Bitly mo na link, lalabas yung ano, um, tawag dito yung profile mo na may mga CTA. Resume, cover letter, portfolio, recorded introduction video. Kahit hindi hingin. You have to do something that sets you apart from the competition. Every time mag-send kayo ng application, send a link tree. Ano yung link tree, ante? I-research nyo yung hayop kayo. Gumawa kayo ng link tree, ilagay nyo doon yung lahat ng documents nyo. Resume, um, cover letter, portfolio, intro video. Every time you send a application or proposal, you have to edit it. Kasi again, sabi ko kanina, iba't ibang job description, iba't ibang content. Dapat naka-tailor fit lahat sa applyan. Nagkakaintindihan. Matagal na kayo na-late na kayo makapasok dito, so kailangan nyo mag-effort. Awat na, alauna na. I'll talk to you guys soon. You all have a great day.